Alright, me and Reed are at the airport going to Albany, New York. I don't even know where I'm going. To go buy a new car. So, should be pretty sick. This tunnel is really cool. And yeah, quick hour-and-a-half flight. Get there around noon, and then we've got a 10-hour drive home. So we're going to have to boogie to make it back because it's a long drive.
Something a little more normal, certainly. But at any rate, I do appreciate your cooperation with it. We're getting back to work up here.
We're in Albany. It's definitely a small airport. That was probably the smallest plane that I've ever taken like a Delta commercial flight on. It was like 2 seats, the whole, I don't know, it was small. Catching an Uber to the dealership, and yeah, we're gonna go check out this car, and then we have a drive. First gas stop. We are 3.5 hours in, I think.
Just about.
Just about. Here it is. We'll get more of this later. Alrighty. Oh, yeah, the good side. Woo. So we have picked up, or I have picked up at least, an Alpine white exterior, black interior with the aluminum trim, 6-speed manual, 82 M3, as you guys have just seen. We're driving it back from Albany, New York, which is overall a 10-hour drive, and we are a third of the way back. So yeah,
let's keep moving.
Let's keep going. We are in Pennsylvania, almost to Ohio. The sun is still shining. Weather's been great all day. Pretty low traffic. Everyone's been cruising pretty fast. I'm now co-piloting for Reed. I drove the first leg. He's driving the second leg, and then in about another hour, we'll probably get gas again, some food, trade out, and then hopefully be getting pretty close to home. We'll be getting home around 11:30 p.m., which is kind of late. It's been a long drive so far, but about 4.5 hours out, so getting there. Oh, Reed wanted Arby's, so I didn't drive him through, and he's walking through the drive-thru. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh my god. Okay, I'll go pick him up and be a nice person. So the cicadas that have been underground for 17 years have come out now, and we are driving through a cloud of dime or probably quarter-sized bugs that are just slamming into the windshield and all over the front end of this car right now. Can barely see out the windshield. It's 11 p.m. at night. We're an hour from my house, and we have construction, traffic, and now a bug storm. This is absolutely absurd. This car is going to be just trashed by the time we get back. Oh my god. Alright guys, clearly it's the next morning. My voice is all messed up from my allergies. But there are so many dead bugs all over this thing, all over the windshield. So today I'm spending most of my day cleaning the car, detailing it inside and out, engine bay, all of that. But this is where I'm going to leave you. This will be probably the second video in this series if I've laid this out correctly in the timeline, which I'm thinking I will. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys think I should change next or add. What you think of these M3s. Is this the last great M car? Hit that like button and subscribe. Be sure to be subscribed because I'm going to be posting tons of content on this car, and it's not going to be staying the same for very long. So hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure video. This is just the start of a super fun, creative kind of build. This car is something that I can actually wrench on and be confident with it and do some cool track days and all that kind of stuff. So I'll catch you guys next time.